No, I do.
Well, that
No,
sell
just
volume that
I
just
do.
came in was kind of fucking steep. That looks like a little toppy.
Yeah, I mean we're probably topped for now.
Covered calls on the 34, baby.
Um, I definitely like am interested to see how significant of a correction, if like there was a lot of sell volume did come in, but
If it's not much though, then you could say that this is on a parabolic fucking
well,
rise.
the first so here's how you trade diagonals.
Oh, it's the diagonal.
You take so you have what is a diagonal? A diagonal is a five wave move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It's either
Mhm.
a leading or an ending diagonal, so we're either going to break down very fucking hard, or we're going to pull back, and we're gonna want to buy the pullback for the breakout long. If we do that, it's gonna come in three waves, and we're gonna want to buy it long for the break higher. Where do we look? First place is the bottom of this wave with an anchored VWAP, showing us about $33. Second place is the bottom of this wave with an anchored VWAP. Oh, that's not anchored VWAP, it's fucking paint. Anchored VWAP off of this low here, and that shows us about $33 sweep. So now we just wait. Set your fucking alerts and wait.
32.50. Buy and then buy the fucking dip. We're in the buy the dip environment.
Also known as
Volume
a
is increasing.
BTD.
So
Oh,
ultimately, any pullback that holds 32, we're gonna look to long. Now, where is this pullback going? On low time frames, we can start to see a pattern develop and take a guess that maybe okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 32 could definitely happen. That makes a ton of sense. But again, just fucking wait.
wait, yeah. Like if it's giving you the entries, then fucking take care of the
Definitely gave
entries.
us the exit.
If
Third
the VWAP,
high. Definitely gave us the exit. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Three highs in a row is the end of a five wave move. Now we're in a correction, and if you didn't sell that top, you just fucked yourself, probably.
So the three wave highs would be 32.12 yesterday's high and then today's high, correct?
I
So
don't
like the
know.
last 3 days.
I don't know. Just look at it. You know the pattern. Oh, last 3 days.
You're not.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah,
Higher
you're talking about
high,
Mac.
higher low,
Okay,
higher high, higher low, higher high. We want to
gotcha.
make a higher low and continue the pattern. But it's called a
So
diagonal. But like literally every time I see two highs in a row, I draw a fucking trend line. And I say, okay, where would I buy if this was going to play out? In this case, in hindsight, look at GME. Bottom of the first wave, wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four. Okay, cool. 32 is already our pivot. It's also the bottom of this swing with an anchored VWAP. And we already know we're going to fucking 36 anyways.
so just buy it when it hits that
So
32.50.
yeah,
Buy
my
it plus put a
$32.
call out.
Yeah, so I just traded $32 calls for well over 100% today alone because of
But
that.
it keeps doing the same exact fucking thing.
Well, yeah,
It
now
is
we
the
just
fucking. It has reached its algo of doing the same fucking shit all the time.
it's five patterns that make up the entirety of every stock you've ever looked at.
But think about it this way, dude. It could be this way all the way to $100 fucking. Think about that. Here's some fucking 10, right? Here's some fucking 10. What if it does this? What if it fucking does this all the way up to 100? So all the people that are hoping this just goes fucking parabolic instantly are the people that are just crushed. And instead of the people that are just playing the trend up to 100 are the real winners.
yeah, just trading in and out of it.
They look for, yeah.
Ah,
So
see?
you just want to hold today's low, right? That's the pivot. 32.
I mean, it really depends on how what takes shape here. Like, we could go breakout right now. Like it really just depends on where we end up and like what pattern develops. Like, there's not much of a pattern. Like I said, right now I'd be looking at one down, two up, three down, four up, five. Like, it's not a big enough correction for me to be like, and there's not enough volume to be like, okay, it's just gonna go breakout.
Gotcha.
Austin, if it does this all the way to 100, that's fine with me because I'm in and out 15 more times.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, but look, dude, this thing's repeating itself. It just constantly fucking repeats itself.
It's repeated itself for 4 years.
Yeah. Very true. See, now we're getting the buy. Now the buy volume's coming in, but nope, it's gonna sell off. It's gonna fucking sell off. Oh, Tiger Financial lost 650. Yin's going to 24. Yin's gonna go to our $24, Dragon. I'm watching it.
We're tanking the yin.
The yen is gonna tank $24. We load up the fucking boat, and then we get to and then we're gonna do some fucking shit talking all the fucking China bears. Get ready. Get fucking ready.
So today's high. So I've been noticing something with like the patterns and stuff. So like, let's just like this is the 4 hour, right? 4 hour closes in at the end of the day today, so 53 minutes. Like, you got really clear diagonal, really clear 5-wave move on the 4 hour. Now, if this thing just melted up higher, this big 4 hour candle would just be a big breakout candle. It wouldn't really be a diagonal. It would be, something different. So what I've kind of noticed is that my thesis is that we're done for the day. Nothing's going to happen for the rest of the day on GME. And that's because this 4 hour would need to take shape, kind of showing that it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the third high. It'll have a pullback on the next 4 hour candle, and then potential for continuation or breaking down further. That's just a thesis I have that I've kind of noticed with the patterns. So testing it out, we'll see. I'm hoping I'm wrong because I want to just fucking rip. Or dip hard and then just like, because if we dipped real hard and got violent, then just spring it back up. But I'm curious one way or another.
Would you rather this just go straight up, or would you rather?
Yeah, bro. yeah, I would
Or
like.
would you rather it
I
play
like
it the
money.
way it is and just keep trading in and out?
Just wake up and it'll be at 125. Be done.
No, I'm tired. It's been 84 fucking years. I'm ready for this to be, at least I'm ready for like it not to matter. Like here I've been able to make good money trading it, right? Like recently. Like it hasn't been shitty.
You just want to fucking hold it.
Yeah, like once this gets over 50, like, and like can build a floor higher than $30, because that's right now is the floor. Like, not even the floor. It's just like our support. Our main support's at 30. Like, if we lose 30, we're headed back to 25.
And then we're
Our
doing
girl
this whole thing
26.
over again.
Yeah, right. Like this could definitely be playing out like 1, 2, big 3, 4. Like we could be doing this massive chop motion like that. Like we could absolutely go see 40 come right back down to 28, even lower.
Would you cry?
No, I would just hold my fucking covered calls.
Do it all over again.
Yeah, I would rather just be in big swings instead of like little trades. Like I'd rather just sell covered calls above 40.
I feel like that's
50.
what this market has been lately. Do you feel that way too?
What's that? Just indecision?
No, do you feel like the entire market has been kind of like these little small trades all the fucking time? Or do you feel like there's been some good longs? Like that, like just the general market.
Yeah, I mean, SPY, like recently, the past few weeks, yeah, it's just been sideways. I mean, it's been a wide range, but it was really nice when it's just going straight up.
Yeah, like last summer.
Mm-hmm. Shit is lagging. Yeah, I'm really hoping like this pattern here. This is a 5, so if we were just faking out, I would have thought a 3 and then down would have made more sense. So this makes me bullish. I'm optimistic we're gonna break out higher. That would put us at least into this high, I would think. It's like if this is an end diagonal, then maybe we just get like 36 sweep. And that way we'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5. Big 3-wave correction. Yeah. Makes sense. But I
So
vote
you-
just break out over 36.
So we're at the point now where it either fucking breaks out or we drop back down to 28 from the fucking 3-wave.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean,
Jesus Christ.
look at price action like always. Like every time in the past 4 years since 2020. Since the first time it happened, every time we trade above 36, we get smacked back down below it. We did find support in 2021 at 36.
Which is so weird though, because you look at the volume shelf and it doesn't look that crazy at 36.
On the volume above 32, it looks really nothing. But it
Well,
keeps-
that's what I'm saying. But at 36, look at 36 though. So why is okay? Yeah, but you would think that 36 wouldn't be that impactful on knocking it back down with the way that the volume shelf looks like.
I agree, yeah.
Hmm.
Because it kind of just stops at
Well, how did this? Okay, so hold on.
32.
Maybe we can explore this. What did the volume shelf of this 36 look like? We know what it looks like now, but what did it look like when it got knocked down last time? Are you able to like do historical
I think so.
back to
Like back here.
2020? Yeah, like back to when it initially broke out. What did
think
the
we can.
volume shelf look like?
Uh,
See, the volume shelf looks a little gappy and then fucking up on that. See, now 36 looks a little bigger.
is it gonna show
Now
us
that
the
actually looks
volume?
like a fucking volume shelf.
Oh, it might not show us the volume. No,
It won't show you the differences.
not in the not like
Difference.
yeah. When I did like the replay thing, it's not showing up.
Yeah, it's not showing the. I see on the indicator. Yeah, I see what you mean. Well, that sucks because that would provide us some good info.
Yeah, that would have been cool.
Because then maybe it got knocked down last time because the volume shelf was a lot bigger than what it is now. Now, this whole entire time we've kind of like deteriorated that shelf.
I mean, there can't be a lot of volume up there. It never really trades up there. It's just straight up, straight down.
Uh huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
We've
I
spot
don't-
breaking down.
I mean, that's the thing. If we hit 36, take a screenshot. Someone take a screenshot of it, so we see what it looks like.
Save it for
So we
later.
can save it for fucking later when we.
Put in the dragon archives
Yeah, put it in the fucking archives.
in the cave, the dragon cave.
The dragon cave, dude. Are you building out your fucking dude? You getting a man cave?
Dude, spy is breaking down pretty hard. A man cave? What are you talking about?
Yeah, you got a basement. Do you get basements in fucking Tennessee?
No, not typically.
Dude, you got to change that. You got to
You
start
gotta
digging.
change that. Yeah, this isn't looking good for the spy.
No.
Like it
it's
still
not
could be a
looking
fake out, but I mean,
Well, look, Spy's going down and GME's going up. So what the fuck's that saying?
hmm shout out Jimmy Carter,
Like to safety.
whoever he is.
It's the flight to fucking safety, dude. Go to the company that has $4 billion in cash. I think it's just scared based on the fact that Trump just said we're going to use military escalation to take back Panama Canal, which should be swift. I mean, I don't know. I mean, is Panama a fucking big country?
Nah, like a fingernail.
They got what do they got?
Like
Bows
this.
and arrows out there.
Not even. I think like blow darts.
Yeah, a couple. I mean, fucking blow darts are fucking nasty though. You ever got struck with a blow dart?
Twice.
Struck with a blow dart.
With
What
a
is
couple darts in your neck, bud?
what is that?
I took a paintball to the nuts once.
Yikes.
Really?
Yeah, some
I could
jackass.
take a baseball gun in the nuts.
Frozen. Some guy at the place froze his paintball and was shooting people with them. What an
Mm.
asshole.
You want to reenact it? You want to see? You want to see it?
Oh,
Want to see if you could do it again? Was that you reenact?
that was my reenactment. It's
If you don't have a fucking blow dart in your office, dude, I don't know what you're doing. If you're not shooting blow darts at shit,
what ninja stars.
I don't trust myself. No.
Those things are like razor blades, bro.
The worst thing that I did was I was hammered and I was at my buddy Jacoby's. Well, his name's Jake, but I call him Jacoby. But me, Nicky K, and Jacoby, we were fucking sitting there hammered. And his brother Josh has like this big fucking sword, like one of those like little gladiator swords or whatever. And I decided to throw it up in the air and fucking catch the blade with my hand. And between my thumb and my pointing finger, that little web there, it just sliced right in that fucking web. And it was painful, dog. And I got a little scar there.
Yikes.
So more of the story is just don't throw anything sharp and don't catch anything.
Throwing knives, huh?
It's a great what's that? Knives Out. Great movie. Great fucking movie. Yeah, the Spy's looking like ass, dude. Send it back down to 581 or 582. Where's he in at? 25.65. Yin's in a good spot. Getting some value there.
Some value there, huh? Avoiding that crush.
Yeah, where did he yeah, so now we're at 350. So we originally started with options that were at 480. Then it went down to 4. Now it's at 350.
Nice.
Yeah. And we avoided all of that. We avoided
It's
all
almost
of that.
better than making money, yeah.
But we're still attacking it. That's the thing. We're still going to attack it.
Still on the prowl.
No. Yeah, it's crazy. $3 contracts were at fucking $10 literally a month ago.
Check this out. Nvidia's got a, unlike the 5-minute, the same pattern that might be
As-
breaking down
As spy?
as GME that we're looking at.
Really?
Similar. Well, here's where the patterns don't matter. But you see 3 highs on GME, you see 3 highs on Nvidia.
Oh yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. Now, whether or not this is an A, B, C, fuck, I mean, you could call it, name it, label it, whatever. But if you shorted that 3rd high, you printed. Now,
And
again,
by being 143.50
Yeah.
or the one up by 1. Okay.
just by simply seeing, oh, there's 2 highs in a row, I'm gonna draw a line there and set an alert up there. Oh, cool, 143. You printed this sell candle on the 5-minute at fucking 12.25. Take a short, stop above the high, printed. Very simple. 3 highs. Now again, the pattern below doesn't fucking matter. Fuck the pattern. Now this could have caught. It could have absolutely caught long right here, and been bullish. That's what we hope happens on GME. Right? That could have absolutely happened. But again, larger trend plays into it. Volume, like all that plays into it. But again, super fucking simple. 2 highs in a row. Draw a fucking line.
Does that work to the downside too?
It
Greg?
works every fucking time, dude. It's literally it's the
when
only
I-
pattern. It's just the only pattern, or it's like my favorite pattern. You play it both directions. It's on the reverse side, that QQQ long I caught. It's actually it's fucking doing one right now.
So
1, 2.
Yes. So, but this is like a flag, like a bear
A,
flag. or
B,
like-
C, D, E, sweep, reclaim long. That's a reversal pattern. Now, yes, it can break down and break out, but flip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull back, break down, whatever. Blah blah blah. Yes, it works both ways though. This one right here, this long I caught on Qs, was this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reclaim long.
That's fucking dope.
It's the same
But
shit
so-
every
so
single
it's like
time.
bear flags,
Right
or
here,
are
check
these-
this out. I call it. I don't care, bro. Call it whatever you want. Call it a bear flag. You can call it a bear flag, bro. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Well, shit, that's not what I meant to do. 1, 2, 3rd high, fails breakout, breakdown. Well, actually, it was long. but same shit every single time. My favorite pattern. There's only 5 of them.
That one's easy to see. I can actually see that one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Let's call that the hodling.
Hey,
Awesome
toe tailing. All right. It's okay. No, let's call it the poo poo pattern.
Poo poo pattern.
Let's call it the fucking poo. Hey, poo poos. Come here real quick. I'm gonna show you something.
I can't wait for that in the morning prep. All right, Archie, we got the poo-poo pattern here.
I mean, it is a poo poo pattern because it's either doo doo or poo poo. If it's poo poo, it goes up. If it's doo doo, it goes down.
Oh, Lord.
Good stuff.
Why don't you want to?
What do we
What kind
want?
of? All right, don't. Yeah. All right, you work on the laundry.
Go make me a sandwich.
She already did. She made me a buffalo chicken wrap.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. A little blue
Yeah,
cheese?
I didn't. Yeah, but I forgot the ranch. I don't have any more fucking ranch, which is like the whole point of a buffalo chicken wrap. If you're
That's
eating
fascinating, Dragon. That's really cool.
If you're eating buff chick wraps without fucking ranch, you got problems. You got fucking problems, stuff.
Oh, yeah, we're fucking melting down, dude. Yeah, we might be breaking out to the downside hard. Like, this shit might get fucked.
We have a bear market. We're in a bear market.
It might be.
The start of a massive, massive bear market. But this is it. This is China's time, right?
This is it.
Send fucking, send fucking,
Send the yang.
send yin down to the fucking ether, and then have China and US do business, and then China goes fucking nuts. Because think about it, if the markets are fucking tanking, why would they want it? Why would they want to impose tariffs to tank it even more? That's not Trump's style. That's not his fucking style. He wants to devalue the dollar. Look at the fucking dollar right now. The dollar is exploding to the upside. Yeah, the dollar looks like it's in the biggest bull market you've ever fucking seen. I mean, you're talking about the fucking the fucking poo poo diagonal. This thing is fucking. This shit's ended, dude. No pun intended.
You're talking about DXY?
Yeah, look at DXY right now, dude. This thing looks like it's ready to make new fucking all-time highs. Dude, if you're traveling to Europe, now's the fucking time to do it. I'll tell you that right now. You want to go buy a house in Hong Kong? You can go fuck.
Why is now the time to go to Europe?
Because the dollar is super high, so you're getting
Dollar's
more bang for
wrong.
your-
Against the euro?
against everything, dude.
Oh.
Against literally Euro, China. Like, if you're ever gonna get the most bang for your buck traveling, now's the time to do it. Now is the time to travel. Remember them fish and chips? They were fucking. Like, the fucking team crumpets were fucking 12 euros. Now they're fucking.
Remember them fish and chips?
Yeah, you ever had some fucking. Dude, I love fish and chips, dude. I love fucking.
What kind of fish?
What is it? Cod? Is it not fish and
Cod.
chips?
Link
Yeah.
cod. Or
Usually
rock cod.
cod.
It's fucking cod. God.
Unbelievable.
I mean, yeah. I mean, this is.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, this is like legendary, crazy fucking type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is.
Shit's lagging. So
Excuse me.
We might have to do a tequila shot to celebrate.
let's do it.
Because are you in all cash? Because I'm in all cash right now.
I'm in all GME mostly.
But I mean, GME's doing well.
Yeah, yeah. No, we're
Well, everything else is tanking.
We're
So
doing
it's
great.
like now we're going to get even better entries. Because everyone's selling their shit. How's the bond yield? Let's see the bond yields. Let's see how fucking bonds are doing. In your treasury. Now I fucking know how to do all this shit.
Do you?
My guy got Robin Hood. Now he's just a.
Oh
he's
yeah, dude,
tired.
look at the chat.
Oh, yeah,
boss.
dude.
Dude, holy fuck.
Jesus.
Here, let me post this in the nest for everyone to see. It's on Yahoo, but that's okay. Or CNBC. Dude, if this isn't saying nothing, it's saying something. Wait, sure. This
I'm not even sure what that means.
Here, ready? Here, click that. Click that thing in the nest. Look at them bond yields.
Fucking bond yields, brother.
Dude, they're literally, it is literally, we're at all-time highs now. Just recently. That is a flight to fucking safety.
Austin, how's the dollar against the dong?
Well, it's not the dong, it's the yawn. It's the yawn. It's the see you let me check.
Let me check the Robinhood Platinum.
Tanking, dude.
Let me
Tanking.
check.
It is fucking
Oh,
tanking.
fuck.
Gosh, this space is just the best.
I mean, it's just collapsing, dude. Everything is collapsing.
It's over. It's
Except
literally
for
over.
GME.
So here's I got some more 10 here. And GME hired a treasury guy that essentially acts as a forex trader for their capital. Did they know that the dollar was potentially going to fucking rally and then potentially collapse, and then they're secretly in the yawn, and that's why China said, or Ryan Cohen said that China's a sleeping giant?
Probably been following you, bro.
Do you think they're gonna fucking hold the yen?
Oh yeah,
They're in
GME's
bed
going
with China.
big time in the end. Think about it, Nintendo, all that stuff.
I think
I mean, at
Nintendo's
all points,
Japanese.
No, that is Japanese. Yeah, you're right. Well, the yang is printing. Look at the yang. Can you pull up the yang on here real quick?
Fucking ridiculous, bro.
Can you pull up the yang real quick on YouTube?
What are we
Austin,
looking
pull
at,
up the
Yang?
dong.
Yeah, pull up the yang, dude.
Poopus, pull the egg.
Pull up the phone.
Austin, pull up the dong. I want to see the price of the
Oh,
dong.
there ain't no dong. There ain't- I'm looking at the dong. Where is it? Is that even a currency?
Oh yeah, big time currency.
Who the fuck is the dong? Who the fuck has the
Usually,
dong?
there's usually a lot of zeros on the dong.
I'm deep in dong.
Just got it.
Oh, it's the Vietnamese dong.
Yeah, you gotta go heavy in the dong, bro.
Okay, so let's see. What is $1 equivalent? 25,000 dong for fucking $1. We're going to Vietnam.
Donglionaires.
We're heading to Vietnam, boys.
So
We're-
for $1,
we're
you can
headed to
get
Vietnam.
25,000 dongs.
Dude, I'm not even kidding you. It is literally 25. How much is a house in Vietnam?
We're headed to Vietnam.
Real estate market looking like in Vietnam.
Austin just bought 4 rental properties in
Okay. Oh, no. Okay, so they're saying, here you go, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in northern Vietnam is 3.85 billion.
In North Vietnam, bro, with Hung Jae,
Yeah.
you're
Dude,
gonna die there.
We're talking billions of yuan. Dong. That's what they fucking trade. Billions of dong.
But you can't even get in North Korea. It's a communist state.
No, northern Vietnam.
Oh, Northern Vietnam.
Yeah, Quang Ninh or Hanoi. Hanoi has a bunch of.
I've heard of Hanoi. It's on a video game.
That's
Yeah.
the Hanoi Hill in Vietnam.
Well, if you want it, dude, it's 20 billion. How does that? How many fucking? Where do you even store 20 billion fucking of these dongs? How much is a dong dollar?
How do you store all these dongs?
How much is a dong dollar?
my gosh.
Like, what do you just have a fucking? Oh no, they have
Austin search.
1,000 dong. There's 100,000 dong note. There's a 500,000.
Austin search history and cookies are gonna be
Dongs.
wild.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Somebody said,
What's
"Where's
this?
Sleepy?"
Dude, they don't even fucking do this on Google. You can't even translate the fucking thing on Google. How many dong? So is that 1, 2, 3? How many zeros are in a billion?
6.
Okay, so
Or a billion?
yeah,
7. Or 9. Sorry.
9.
2,
9.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 2.5 billion dong is 100,000 US dollars. That doesn't sound right. So if you have fucking a 19, so they want 1.9 million dollars for a fucking northern Vietnam house. Yeah, no thanks. I'm out. The Royal Villa.
How big is it?
This is the Royal Villa. This is fucking $1 million. Okay, we got a problem.
$1 million dong.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I'll show you this shit right now, dude. It's in Hanoi. Who the fuck is living here? Not me, not anybody here. I'll tell you that much. Here, look at this. I just posted on the fucking nest.
Austin, if you were in Vietnam and somebody had money hanging out of their pocket, would you tell them that their dong is showing?
Like they have a few bucks, dude. You dropped your dong.
Oh,
I just dropped my fucking dong, dude.
Hey Dragon, in the chat, I just posted Tesla 1 hour. Can you just real quick take a look at that and let me know if we made the second low and I drew that correctly, or if I'm completely off?
You threw it in which chat?
Just this chat on this
On the space
stream.
thing.
Yeah,
Let me
I'm
take
just
a look at it.
going back to that third low. Like, do we already have 2 lows in now, or?
So okay, so I see what you're saying. So yeah, let me pop on. So the way I would look at it here. 2, 3. You're on the 1 hour. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
So I see. Okay. So I won't really use it in these scenarios. In these scenarios, I'm more looking for just the ABC. Not that it's not valid, because absolutely. So it's definitely come into play if like what you were looking for with that move to 360 would be our fifth wave down.
Mm-hmm.
That would probably, it could definitely come into play. So like having it marked out, I'm basically saying you could get that liquidity sweep. So if we had A down, B up, 1 2, this was a big 3 4, we get 5 down, that'll probably get swept. That reclaim will work. So yeah,
Okay.
if that's what you're that's what I would look for, or how I would look at it.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right. Cool.
Yeah, and at that point that's more of like a falling wedge, right?
Mm-hmm.
But looking at it, from a pattern perspective, like it's just how I do it technically, because you could call it a falling wedge, and that, whatever it's failed to break out, yeah, break down, fake out.
Because that could be the 5 down, right?
Yeah, exactly what I was saying, exactly. So
Yeah.
like in the event that we're gonna sweep the low and the 5 isn't already done, that would exactly be it. Yeah, that fifth
Okay.
wave, I would look to, it doesn't have to, like it doesn't have to come there, but let's say it
Mhm.
did, you know what I mean? That's like basically I align it with like being oversold or overbought, right? Like if you
Gotcha.
get that extension, it's like, oh, are we, then Vanna, right? Like what's the Vanna level? That would be the kind of, analysis or like the type of move I'm looking for in those
Okay.
circumstances, especially on like large time frames when they're super overextended. Because then you'd just be basically liquidity grabbing back from consolidation prior to the breakout over 360, right?
Right. Sweet. All right.
So where's this local one? I mean, we're holding the anchored view up from like the most recent 1 2 3 4, from like the bottom of 4. But I mean, like if we really got that momentum, we could just fucking pump through. The structure doesn't make me think we're going to, but I mean, volume over everything. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Did Spy just.
Oh my.
Oh, what the hell was. Oh, that's a. That's. Jeez, we might just be melting down, dude. I really don't like the way this looks. ABC fucking 3. if we see 550 by fucking what, March, February? I don't know, unless data changed, then he's still bullish macro as well. But man, shaky.
Shaky, baby.
As soon as Jimmy starts taking off, dude. I don't know of anything in the market. Like, it's like one of those things, like death taxes and GME going down, or GME going up, SPY going down. Like, it's guaranteed at this point. It's fucking wild.
I think
That'd be good for us, so that we're gonna have a bunch of money to buy stuff with.
Yeah, as long as GME keeps going up.
Well,
but this is what I think though.
But no,
I think
you're right. Yeah.
what's going on with GME is the same thing that's going to happen with the yen with the stimulus. It's going to give you the opportunity because they're already far along in the stimulus conversations. If they have the stimulus, this shit's going to fucking $50. Everyone's going to go to flight to safety to China to invest in China, and then it's just going to fucking be a pump and dump like it always is. And then you have a bunch of money to buy elsewhere. It's just a repetitive cycle. Look what happened in 2016 last time. It's same shit. Same shit happened. I am the great. I think I might be the greatest fucking China show there might be. I might be the greatest fucking yin. Dude, I started yin art. Look at yin army on fucking Twitter.
He's
It's
the
just-
Jackie Chan of the yin.
It's just me talking to my fucking self. Literally all
Love
that.
I love it. I love your conviction.
Dude. Sometimes it gets you in trouble, but that's okay.
That's what it
Risk
takes
management.
to be great.
Well, not really, because now I know what risk management is. So I guess not really.
You're back.
Yeah. Risk management has saved me so much fucking money. That's like my 2025 goal is risk management.
Funny how that works, huh?
Yeah. You don't lose money and then you look back and you're like, well, fuck, I could have lost more money. It feels so good.
Yeah. If you have good risk management, you can have a shitty strategy and still be profitable. Mind over everything.
SPY, man. Oh my goodness.
Burn. That fucking 150 call is down 43%. Oh my god. And it's gone. And it's gone. UPST is showing some stability though. You see that? It's showing some relative strength. Tesla is not showing relative strength.
Tesla's coming back to our 360 level. That's what the quant was telling me last week.
We need to fucking find out what this quant is.
He's my guy.
We need to start investigating. Oh, MU is still up though. Of course, MU is up.
What was that alert for?
It's an AIM message. You never got AIM. You never had an away message on AIM.
I never left.
I still got Hotmail as my fucking email.
Oh yeah, I'm a big Hotmail guy. Unity's coming down to that 2250 level. Finally, Patience.
Dude, I was looking at Unity's fucking earnings report. Holy shit, they're a mess.
Yeah, I don't really buy into them that much. The chart looks good, but
Yeah.
that whole kitty thing, that was an easy short. You know, how many people hopped into that stupid thing.
A lot of
All the
fucking
retards pumping it.
It's Wall Street pumped it.
Oh yeah,
There's
big
actually
time.
a lot of institutional money in that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, they're gonna change Mexico to the Gulf of America. I love that.
Let's do that.
I like better like Gulf of US, not Gulf of America. I like Gulf of US better. It sounds better. Golf and
Golf.
Gulf. It is. It's
Golf.
the same shit. I'm not doing
Golf.
Golf. Golf. I'm goofy.
It's not golf, like the game of golf.
All right, whatever, boo boos.
You can be honest.
Okay, you keep me honest. You keep me fucking honest. Austin pumped that to me yesterday. Which one? Costco's killing it and Celsius is killing it. You'd be up on your fucking contracts.
He was probably talking Unity.
Oh, yeah. I did not. That was the one that I did not get. After I looked through their earnings report, I was just like, this thing's a fucking, yeah. Very risky stock. Not very much, not a lot of momentum for that stock. Our business went, I had to hit eject on it this morning. Don't worry, champ. I'll make it up to you. At least you didn't fucking. Oh, if you hit it eject on it this morning, you would have been up on those calls though. Because it went up to 0.62%.
Can Champ get up?
Oh, I'm gonna get an earful from him.
Well, he wants to shield GME, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sweet.
Bring out the olives. I'm sure he's got plenty of them. It looks like a good restaurant.
You think IEP's bottomed? This thing is just getting beat up.
Hey, Boo. Flower Shop's in Austin, Texas now. Remember that? They had the funky cheetah pool table or whatever in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's in
Fun.
yeah, now it's in this shit.
That's fun.
It's good food, right?
It was okay.
It was just
Good
okay.
for the vibe.
Yeah, it's good for the vibe. Yeah.
Good cocktails, I think.
Yeah.
I think I only eat there once because remember we had our holiday party there?
Yeah.
You weren't invited to it.
No, but we went there with Johanna and them.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a good time. They had that pool table that I fucking was smacking people left and right on. If anybody's sitting here trying to play me in pool, you're about to find out. You're about to find out real quick. I'm good at flicking the stick, if you know what I'm saying.
Big flicker, huh?
I'm a fucking real stick flicker, Bubs. I'm out here flicking sticks.
Here's one. Ugh.
Dude, it looks like QQQ is skyrocketing.
To the downside.
Yeah.
This one's
Yeah, you just got to turn your phone upside down. That's all you got to
Let's
do.
do it from. I'm so curious. Say from this point. Guess that's not true. No matter the pattern, if we move under 584, we should see under 584 and a half, we should see 576, not 566. So if this is an ABC and we're gonna rip right back up to 595, we'll wanna hold.
Probably at the 588 level, right? Where that volume shelf is.
Yeah, actually, yeah, exactly. I was just doing the math on this. So like, we're looking at this as ABC season 5, which is what we measured. Our stop loss would be under 586, and we'd be long just that sweep there. So like in that event, that's gonna play out. That's bullish above 586. Could probably go like that. Zoom out, come on. Yeah, it'd be like that. Now, if this whole thing was a 5, we could bounce from here, come up here, and then continue lower. That would likely be that way. Looks like we got volume to hold. Yeah. Let's try and pop it. It's a really deep wave too.
Would you say that this is kind of panning out to be a descending wedge?
I don't. What's a descending wedge? I'm not sure what that looks like.
Like a
Descending-
fucking yeah,
ascending
where
wedge
it's
would
like a
be
cone. It's a cone that goes down and
to
then
the
it fucking
downside.
splits
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
I mean, the macro pattern kind of looks like it's developing like a what would I
Yeah, like
call
a
it?
wedge. Yeah.
I would call this a triangle, but it's the not expanding. Expanding's going the other way. So contracting triangle, where it just like chops in here until the end of it and then breaks up or down.
But probably it would contract into the inauguration, so that kind of makes sense, right?
Yeah, it would.
Because this isn't gonna fly too far either way before the inauguration.
Right. I mean, if you look at it like this, like since we broke into this range, like I would call. Let's see. Damn it! I never remember where these things are. Like I would say we had a range between 564 and 580-ish, or like that was a trading range. Now we popped up into a new trading range, which was 580 to 600. In when we popped up here and went into like price discovery, we're expanding. We saw an expanding range, right? Saw that there, and we saw this here. Damn it. Like the first time we broke 580 into 585 up to 600, we were down higher, big down. Now we're in like, now we're contracting. We were expanding, now we're contracting. See that? But we're still in the same range. So like, I don't know. Yeah, that makes sense. Like you said, like potentially we could just be kind of like range bound between the inauguration, get some news saying this, and we break out. Oh, just kidding. You know, blah blah blah. what I hope is that we did. This is my favorite and would be bullish. Was wait no. Yes, it doesn't. Oh no, it definitely is a complex. Huh. This was A, B, C was in 5.
Starting to get some buy volume right now.
It is just a big one too. One, two, three, four, five is one. A, B, C, fake down. A, that's what I'm going with. Give us a $10 rip.
The Gulf of Cornucopia. What the fuck? Everyone's getting all fucking butthurt about the fucking golf being changed. You don't give a fuck. You don't give a fuck. Trump says he's prepared to use economic pressure to force Canada to become part of the United States. He fucking should. Crush him. Crush it, Canadians, eh? What's up, Boo? Why are you on a call?
It'll let me know.
You don't know if I'm on a call? No, we love Canada. We fucking love Canada. A? Fucking A? Oh, dude, Campbell's soup is fucking at a 52-week low. That looks like a buy. Campbell's soup, Crown Castle, Pepsi hit a fucking low. Adobe is toast. Adobe ain't gonna be a company for much longer. Especially with AI. They're not catching up quick enough.
Shit. My God.
Hey, you doing all right, bud?
I don't know. Oh shit, my bad, y'all. Champ PG, bye bye. Yeah, Spider getting a little pop.
What up?
Yo, yo.
Also, you don't think Adobe's gonna be a buy?
Adobe?
Yeah, you think you
So,
really think
I
they're
mean,
going
just
to?
So I have a
just
friend
get
that works
dissolved?
for Adobe and is like a pretty high up in Adobe, and internally and shit, they're freaking out because like they're not catching up fast enough to the different products that others are making right now. Like in terms of AI adoption and like the support behind it, and I think like their business of graphic design, cloud, videos, movies, like I think they're going to be broken up. There's going to be a bunch of micro companies that are going to do it better that can support clients in a more specific way and take a lot of their business. So, but again, like at the end of the day, all that shit doesn't matter. It's what is the price action telling you? And the price action telling you it's at a 52-week low. So,
China?
China.
No, Adobe. I mean, I
Oh,
like
Adobe.
that. I like it being at a 52-week low. I don't know. I mean,
Dude, their earnings fucked them. That's what changed them. Is they lowered expectation for their future outlook too. So it's not like, and that's the question: is their AI strategy even ready for 2025? And my friends that are there are saying, "Hell the fucking no." They're not even.
I mean, that
close
doesn't
to-
surprise me at all. They don't seem like a company that's really competing with the cutting edge, like gonna compete with innovative AI shit at the moment that's doing generative like photo and video work. But at the same time, there's like an entire industry that's got like years worth of like projects saved in Adobe Premiere that needs to use that software.
Um,
For like movies and shit.
yeah.
Movies don't use Adobe though.
No, they don't. No.
Well, use like Avid, but some people
Yeah,
do. Like documentary people, some people use Adobe.
Yeah, I know a lot of people use Adobe, but I don't know, they're stragglers in my opinion. They
Yes,
should have moved on a long
so
time ago.
here is my opinion on their business right now. Like, one, they have unlimited time off. Like they're purple hair
As a
people.
company?
Yeah, the company. It's unlimited time off. They're purple haired people. They have a fuck ton of time off, and like they're paid very highly. Like their wages are very high. They have a big SG&A cost, and like their project output are getting delayed. Like there's no tomorrow because
Yikes.
they won't restructure the company, and they need to restructure. If you look on their website, they're hiring for a ton, but even their hires, they're not hiring. And you can look on LinkedIn, for example, and then look at like the total employee count. It's just stagnant. So it's kind of like if you're in, you're in, but they have a certain type of person that they like to have in there. And the type of person that they hire are people that don't necessarily they like to live more than they like to work. It's what
sounds like it's being completely mismanaged.
Exactly what I'm telling you. It's mismanaged. It's like Salesforce, for example. Remember that shit? How they got fucked because like they have to do a bunch of restructuring stuff. Back in like 2021 all the way to 2023, that's where I think Adobe is. I think Adobe is Salesforce at the end of 2021 all the way to the beginning of 2023. I think that's the exact same type of move that's going to happen with Adobe. Is what happened with Salesforce until they finally do the restructures but if they haven't released their AI strategy yet, and you're that big of a company, like what does that say? It's not a buy for me. I'll tell you that. It's not a buy for me.
You trying to buy property in Vietnam?
Yeah. Oh, you heard about that? Yeah. Do you want to go in on some Dong with me?
I mean, I love Vietnam. I just saw that you posted that.
Yeah, Dragon. What's the spot in Vietnam that we're buying out? What is it called? Hon Hai?
That's Hanoi.
Oh, Hanoi's
or,
what you
no, are
talking
you in, Hanoi, and
Hanoi. That's what we're fucking buying.
Oh, we're
probably.
buying stuff in there?
Yeah, Northern Vietnam, dude.
Oh.
Hanoi. Yeah, that's the capital.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you think about the place I just posted for 1.9 million US dollars?
Mm,
Oh, I'm going to, boo. That we're moving to Northern Vietnam, baby. We're trading the dong from now on, dude.
The dong.
The dong. All right, looks like the market's fucking done, dude. And I guess to sum up today, it was lackluster, but there was some interesting things that came up. One being, what's the one thing? One thing being, oh, we got the Gulf of US. We're going to show military action on what we're going to show military action on? I forgot again. Oh, we're going to show we're going to show military action in the Panama Canal, and there's going to be economic pressure on Canada.
Yeah, and we saw $34 GME.
And we saw $34 GME. That's a big thing that happened in today's market. We talked about blow darts. We talked about dong. Is there anything I'm missing here, Dragon, to sum up? What the fuck happened today?
We got a nice GME rip.
Yep. Oh, we already said that. 34 GME.
Oh shit, sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'm baked.
Yeah. Anything? Oh, Dragon's baked. Anything else we're adding? You want to add? Oh, ARM. The ARM contract was awful. The fucking Unity contract was fucking awful. Celsius ripped. Costco ripped.
Are we just swinging long? I think we might just have to swing long.
On,
I mean, today just
Yeah.
sucked other than GME and a couple other things.
I mean, we're at a fucking inflection point, dude. Because, I mean, this is the dip, right? He gave us this dip with all this fucking shit that he was talking about. And now we have 1, 2, 3 weeks left for his inauguration.
Squeeze it.
Do you think it's going to be long for fucking 3 weeks, dude?
I bet chop. I think chop makes more sense.
Hmm.
Maybe squeeze.
Yeah,
it
I'm thinking like just a lot of this volatility on everything like we've been seeing.
This house is in Vietnam.
You're just now seeing it?
Yeah.
It's honestly
$1.9
more
million.
expensive than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
$1.9 million, bro. For that.
No.
Yeah, because
19 billion dong is 700 something thousand bucks.
Are you sure? Because I know $1 equals 25,000 dong. Is $1.
One dong is 0.00039 of a dollar.
Yeah, so if you do the US dollar to the fucking dong,
I just multiplied 19 billion is, so that would be 19 million. Yeah, 19 billion, 9 zeros is billion. 0.00039 times 19 billion is 741,000.
Hold on. We gotta.
So it's
Let's get Google involved.
a 700K.
Yeah, 748K is 19 billion. Oh, you're right.
It's honestly still more expensive than I thought it was. Although maybe I didn't see all the photos.
Well, maybe this is in the heart of fucking. Maybe this is in the fucking heart of fucking.
Yeah.
Of fucking Honey or what is that? Hanoi.
Look at properties. There's like less nice future. Like Hanoi is a bit more old school. If you look,
but look where it's
properties
at. You're right next to
Oji-
the fucking Sipitura Club. You're right in the fucking where it's all. There's like a huge like roundabout on the map.
Fucking FBLR, bro. Holy shit.
FBLR is literally like, there's a fucking button. He's like, math is cool and all, but
You fucking retards. That's
I
hilarious.
have like no service and my phone isn't working.
Dude.
so
No,
I didn't see that.
dude, we're on the go. We're on the
We're
fucking
learning
go.
today.
I mean, but that's the thing. Like this even for 19 billion dong, like this thing is like it's like 700 square feet, dude. Like there's
Share the dong.
all right. Let's see. There's got to be.
Is that what the square footage is? Look in
It's not.
Saigon. Look in Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh? Okay.
Ho Chi Minh is where you're gonna find like more new fancy shit in Ho Chi Minh. Or if you want like beach house vibes, look in Da Nang. DA_NANG.
What's like the what spot is like popping?
So are you going? Like, sounds like PG's planning on headed there.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go again. I'm trying to like spend a lot of time in Vietnam. I love Vietnam.
Whoa, really? What do you like about?
Yeah, I went once. It's so incredible, dude. The food's so good. You get noodles for $1, beer for $1,
Dude, we might need
$5 massages. Like, it's beautiful. There's beautiful fucking beaches. There's so much good food.
All right,
You're
well,
like
we're headed.
a
We're.
couple hours away from.
so.
Oh yeah, you go ahead.
Oh no, I was. I mean, I'm gonna shut it down, but I was gonna say business trip to fucking Vietnam.
Wait, hold
Oh
on.
yeah.
We'll go
Hold
trade
on.
in Vietnam.
There is no. Okay, yeah, these places aren't really showing you much. Okay, never mind. I thought I had a good fucking property here, but I'll go.
You
I'll
can
go.
rent.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do some homework. Let's do some
Yeah.
homework, and then come
I'll
back.
come by with
Come
some
back
property
with some fresh
tomorrow.
clients.
Dragon, can
Yeah.
we fucking name the space tomorrow? Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh.
MINH.
Yeah, Ho Chi Minh. That's gonna be the name of the space.
We could do
tomorrow,
whatever.
so- All right, cool. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
All right, boys and girls. Much love. Thanks for hanging out. Good talking to you, Peach. Oh, Champ.
man.
Champ, I didn't hear from you, but love you. Good seeing everybody. I'll catch y'all. Wait. Market's open tomorrow. Closed for Jimmy's birthday on Thursday.
Yeah.
Not his birthday. Fuck. All right. Peace.